Verifone M400 stand by AGOZ. Installation guide. Locate the keyholes on the back of the Verifone pin pad terminal. There are 3 total. Align the 3 keyholes with the 3 stand screws. Slide the terminal down to lock into place. Hand tighten the screws into the terminal. Use the Allen wrench to fully secure the payment terminal to the stand. Installation is complete. Optimize your checkout with adjustable flexibility, smooth motion and secure performance.